If your toilet is making a dripping sound and there's no water on the floor, but it's leaking in the bowl, chances are it's just a bad flap. I'll show you how to fix it. Here we're looking at the inside of the toilet bowl. You can see the water dripping in. This over time will add thousands of gallons of water over the course of a year that you're paying for in a very slow perpetual drip. I like this brand. It's the Corky Universal Toilet Flapper. They have different sizes, and these are standard sizes. So far, I've never come into a toilet that has more than a 2-inch that you need, but I'll put a link in the description where you can pick this up. They do go bad over time because they're rubber and they are in perpetual use, and they just break down over time. You'd just be taking off the lid right here. You just lift this off. Okay, now we're looking at the old flap. You don't really have to turn off the water or anything on this, but what we'll do is we'll just reach in and remove the old flap. So here's the old flap, and it just links on with this little loop here. This Corky flap has an adjustable dial on the bottom, and you can spin it 1 through 6. If you put it on 6, it will save more water. If you put it on 1, it will guarantee that whatever is in the tank and the bowl will be flushed. So you can play with that setting if you want to save water. I'll put it on, I tried it on 6, but I ended up setting it to 1, and it gets the job done. So let's go ahead and do this. This is a one-handed install just because of the camera, but it has these little flaps on the side. They just fit right on, just like that. And then of course we bring the chain up to this lever. So depending on how tall your tank is, you'll have to adjust the chain on the clip so that it's taut. So it's not letting the flapper lift up, but there's enough tension that when you lift the lever, it will pull the chain without any slack. Okay, so we're all set up. That's the new plug. Now this is just gonna fill with water. And as it fills, it should stop leaking in the toilet. And it is silent as the night. Here you can see the old toilet flapper. It's got some kind of worn edges. It's misshapen. I don't know how well you can see that, but over time these degrade, and that's how it goes. Now chances are you won't have to replace this at all. They sell them as kits, but I've never had to deal with that. There are some O-rings and seals in there, but almost always that's the problem. Another successful DIY video. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you'd like more videos like this, and it would really help me out a lot if you click that like button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. And I have one question for you. Are you an over the top or are you down under? The debate can be resolved. I'll put a video on what the proper way is attached to this. Thanks for watching.